Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your geology teacher, Jen. And it's time for Field Trip Friday. Alright, so I am up Mill Creek Canyon. Look at how pretty it is. Whee! And right behind me, at least I am hoping, because I have no signal up here, so no way to double check. So hoping for the best. Looks right. This is the Permian Park City Formation. And if you're from Utah, you can guess what this formation was named after and where it was probably found. Park City. So as we look here, see if we can get to a safe spot here. You can see it's sort of this light gray limestone. And to double check, I have brought some vinegar, so we'll just do a vinegar test. Scrape on a fresh surface. Ooh, nice and soft. Scratch easily with my hammer. Good sign. Okay. Now we're gonna take our little bottle of vinegar. Boop. See what happens. Oh, look at that. Fizzy, fizzy, fizzy. Yep. So it's reacting to the limestone, or the vinegar. That means it's limestone. Carbonates are a base, so they're not going to be happy when you drop acid on them. Excellent. We're in the right spot. Okay. So, just a little background. During the Permian period, this part of Utah would have been underwater, which is where the limestone comes from. And there's a lot of chert in this limestone. There's a lot of chert in a lot of the limestones here, honestly, both from the Carboniferous and the Permian. So I just kind of come to expect it at this point. But it's rather smooth rock if we look at some of the broken pieces. Here's a nice chunk, nice smooth. There's a chunk of chert just in the middle there. A little bit along this broken corner here. Some of it you'll see, ooh, this one's fun. You'll see these fun little patterns in there from just precipitation of different minerals, calcite, chert, various things. So yeah, just some fun stuff about, oh, look here. We got a little bit of a sort of geode with calcite crystals. Nice and round. That's fun. You'll often find that in the limestone too. You'll find pockets where it's dissolved out and then calcite's precipitated into it afterwards. Supposedly you can find fossils. So I think I might take a poke around and see if I find anything. If not, you got to see some Permian age rocks. And get outside and go on a field trip with me. So let's see what we can find. Alright, well, it didn't take very long to find a fossil, so here. Let's see if the, okay, teeny tiny snails. Look at them all. Well, they actually might be ammonoids. I have to look at them under the microscope to be sure. I'm not as good with invertebrates. So it's either a snail or a goniatite ammonoid. Like I said, I'm gonna have to look, but there's a ton of them on here, and they're itty bitty. Alright, well, we found lots of broken fossil bits. So it is very fossiliferous. It's just crap fossils. Other than those really cute tiny things that I'm going to go home and take a peek at. But I figured while we were here, and we had such a spectacular view. Ooh, and we've got the sunset on it, so it's all red. This is the Weber sandstone. It's Pennsylvanian in age, so it's older than the rocks we were just in. but they are dipping quite steeply. Nice and jetted up, but it makes a beautiful cliff. Anyway, thanks for coming on this field trip with us and looking for some Permian rocks and fossils. And we're gonna try this again next week at a different spot. We'll see if it works. I was thinking around Tooele. We'll see. But I don't know if we'll get out there. If not, I'll just fill it in with Timpanogos Cave because we are going there, and that'll be fun. So, look forward to one or the other. Both, eventually, in the future. And I will fossilise later.